So here at JEGS Products, we are extremely excited to announce our Jammer cold air intake systems. So basically we went and designed the new cold air intake system to go along with our tuning products. The nice part about this is we can actually design our tuning products to work even better with cold air intakes. And so since we have our own intake system, we can design and develop around that process. But what we're going to do today is we're actually going to go through, we're looking at the Jammer intake on the 6.7 here, and we're going to actually go and install one. We're going to dyno it, we're going to check it out and see what kind of power gains it has and what kind of performance it has that way, monitor some EGTs on it and stuff like that. But to show you how it works and introduce the Jammer intake system to you from JEGS Products. Alright, before we do the install of the new Jammer intake, we're going to do some stock runs on the dyno. The dyno is going to measure the rear wheel horsepower and torque of the truck. So right now we're going to be going over the stock run. You'll notice on the screen here that there's showing the stock numbers as it goes up and down. They'll set the RPM range. Probably dyno the truck in 4th gear with the load on this one, probably about 15% load on the truck. All right guys, so we just gone through and removed the stock intake. As you can see, it's no longer there, the tube's gone, everything. It's a pretty simple process. As long as you have all the right tools to do it, shouldn't take you longer than 20-30 minutes to remove it. We'll kind of go through the process here and start installing our new Jammer intake on the truck. Alright, we've installed the Jammer intake on the 2011 Cummins. We're going to come on the dyno again and see what kind of numbers it puts down with the new installed Jammer cold air intake. So once we get this run done, we'll compare it with the stock intake, overlay the graphs, and see where we are.